Welcome to the live news 5 p.m. Friends, the coronavirus has virtually thrown the normal life out of gear in the entire world. During the long lull of lockdown, we learned many things and also have to face many adversities. But there is a good news. That is the healing up of the wounds of nature, the wounds which were created by human beings artificially in the name of developments. But friends, due to the lockdown for more than 2 months, the movements, the pollution from the vehicles, the pollution from the industries and other things, they certainly come to a grinding halt and remains silent for over the year. During this 2 months period, the nature automatically healed up all the wounds which were only caused by the human beings. It is very significant for us that we today could see the change of the nature, that is the nature in a more purified forms. So there are, you can say it, miracles which are reported different corners of the country. We could observe the news where we can see the dolphins playing on the beach, the tortoise come to the seashores, and so many things which we never expected. But this long lockdown episode has shown us. We are very lucky to have the purified form of nature in front of us. In the places like Bhagalpur, particularly where the river Ganga is flowing, this prolonged lockdown also helped the mighty river, which considered as the most polluted river, now gradually changing its position, that is, it recovering fast. Recently, a forest official team led by DFO Bhagalpur, SN Sudhakar, and noted ornithologist and the member of International Unit of Conservation of Nature, Arvind Misra, they visited the stretch of river and were surprised to find the change, the sudden change in nature. So let's have a look. A miracle has taken place this time. This Gangetic plain is very familiar with the arrival of the migratory birds who arrived here in the winter, and onset of summer they return back to their native places. But this time many migratory birds could be seen in the Gangetic plains And the expert like Arvind Misra claimed that this miracle has happened only due to the change of the nature. There's a plenty of foods would be available there for the birds as well as for the dolphins. So that's why one can easily enjoy the dancing dolphins on the wave of river Ganga here at Bhagalpur. There are many birds like black-tailed goldbeats, little strings, tamic strings, osprey, little ring flower, spotted red shock. Apart from that, there are several varieties of local birds which are found in Gangetic Plains, are also seen in large numbers. So this time, this nature has gifted these birds which symbolize that the recovery of nature here like other places in the world.